Hey everyone, welcome back to The Silver Lining here on YouTube, or welcome if you're new here. I'm Sarah, and today I am in my youngest daughter's room for a much needed update, and I'm taking you along with me. So let's get started. I am ready to jump right into it. This whole makeover rearrangement is long overdue. I decluttered and cleaned in here during the 40 bags in 40 days challenge. If you've been around for a while, you remember that. It happened back in like March and April, and my sweet patient daughter has been so good about waiting, and we are finally getting around to putting everything back in order. If you watched that particular challenge and that series, you know that we decluttered her kitchen set, which was a pretty big piece in her room. And so there's been a big open space, and we've kind of just let it go because it wasn't making the room messier or unorganized in any way. It just needed to kind of be resituated, and now we're getting started on that. So the first thing that I'm going to do is switch the corner for these stuffed animals, because I'm going to change the corner that the bed is in, and so I don't want the stuffed animals hanging above her head. And then, as with most rearranging projects, I have to basically move everything to one side of the room so that I can maneuver the bed and the dresser, which are the largest pieces in the bedroom. And I kind of want to flip-flop where the bed is, so I need quite a bit of room. So let me tell you already, this was such a workout for me. However, in the end, it was very rewarding. You'll have to stay to the end so that you can see my daughter's reaction. She is gone today for the entire day, and so I kind of was like seizing the moment, and that actually motivated me to get in here and get this done. One thing that I always appreciate about rearranging a room, any room, is that you can really deep clean in those areas that don't always get cleaned. So I'm taking time to wipe down the baseboards and the walls. This is definitely not something that is in my regular cleaning routine, but also just vacuuming in these areas where the furniture has sat for quite a while. It just makes everything feel a little bit more deep cleaned. I actually like rearranging furniture. You'll have to let me know if you do too. I feel like it just freshens up a space and it kind of makes things feel new a little bit, and it gives me a chance to reorganize and just kind of take an inventory of what's in that room. So I really like to do it. Let me know if you do too. I am not really one for keeping things just in case. I usually, when we're done with something or we're decluttering something or changing things around, I will just get rid of it because typically we don't need it for a certain amount of time and it's not worth storing. However, with all of that said, this bulletin board that I'm hanging was actually my bulletin board from my childhood bedroom, and it has moved with me from my parents' house to my first apartment to however many several moves. Plus, it moved with me when I moved in with my husband, and then each of my girls has had it in their room. So I don't know why, like, cork boards can't be that expensive, but this is what I have kept over the years. And most recently, it was in my middle daughter's bedroom. And when she rearranged, she kind of just tucked it to the side of her closet. So I guess it was kind of one of those things that it wasn't taking up a lot of room. I didn't know if we were finished with it or if we would ever use it again. And lo and behold, here I am using it in this room makeover. Thank you guys so much for being here and watching today. I hope that maybe it offered you some inspiration to rearrange or declutter or deep clean a room in your home. I just appreciate you hanging out with me today. I hope that you enjoyed your time here. If you did, give me a thumbs up before you leave, and be sure and leave a comment. Let me know what room you are tackling next in your home, or just leave me some emojis so I know that you're here and watching. I hope you also consider subscribing so that you don't miss an upcoming video. I hope to see you next time. I want to share with you real quick what the room is looking like now. And I'm going to share with you the big reveal to my daughter. She was actually gone all day, so here's her reaction.
You said you were cleaning up my bed. And this. Thank you, Mommy.